And this is what I was talking about. It has hack rings, which is fantastic. We like upholstery with hack rings because that way it lasts longer. The clips got brittle, they break, and then the upholstery doesn't hold no more. So hack ring is the way to do it. I'm glad they start to do it back again. Okay guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to do the removal of the upholstery, and in this case we need to start to do the removal of this piece because it's gonna be in our way. So we're gonna get our pick set to remove a clip that is down here. And my clip went down there. I'm gonna look for it. Actually, it's here. These things tend to fly, guys, so be careful when you do this process. So that's important because we're gonna be removing the upholstery, and what we're looking for is down there. So we have this piece off. The next thing to do, guys, is we're gonna have a screw right here. We're gonna take that off. And guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. That's what I want you to see. I'll make this practical for you. So the next thing, I'm gonna lift this up just to lose the molding. That's all I want. I don't want to take them off completely. I don't want to remove all this. I just need this small access here. Okay, so let's work now. And in case that you wonder why, Alicia, what are you doing in the floor? Well, guys, if I do this in the bench, it's too high to get leverage from my weight to do this removal. So that's why we use the floor. And we have this plug in the way to release these tensioners. It's elastic actually. Let's take this one off with our clip remover. Once we get here, guys, we're gonna need our long clip remover to lift the tabs in the back. I will show you in a minute. So we have two right here. This one we just pop. Now, don't get fooled by the screws in the back, guys, because those screws are just for aesthetics. It doesn't hold anything, or at least it doesn't hold the cover into the frame. This is just for decoration in the plastic. So we remove the two clips right here, guys. It's just pressure clips. Then it's gonna have one right here, one in the other side, and two in the top part. I think I actually have one here and one here. It has two. They're not clips, they're only legs. I'll show you in a minute. That's one. The other one, we just gonna pop them like this, and they come out. And this is what I want you to see, guys. This is the two in the top, then we have one and two, and the two clips in the bottom, and this is all it takes to remove this cover clean without causing any distress or scratches or anything. Very clean removal. Now, guys, for the upholstery, it's simple. We're just gonna remove all the tabs. And this is my preferred tool, my weapon of choice. Because what it does, guys, it kind of open up wider the clip so it can be released. Then we have these clips right here. We have 4 in total, 2 for this tab and 2 for the carpet tab. Let me move this way so you can see. Now guys, right here we have these tabs. You see, I just press them and they release. Some of them, some don't, but that's all it takes. Here we have to remove the Velcro so we can access these ones, just like so. Have total of 6 clips right here, guys. And there you have it. Now you're gonna have the airbag in the way, so we have to unbolt the airbag. And obviously you're gonna save the nuts because you're gonna put them back on. And that's all it took. There is one more here. And I'm gonna take these clips so they don't get lost. Especially because they're gonna cross the upholstery in that way. Now guys, I remove all the trimming around that section. I'm gonna continue with the cushion. We're gonna remove 2 clips right here. Actually, it's one right here. The other one is in the front. And you just have to pry them, guys, just like that. There's another one here. And this is why we did just the top part of the molding. When we're gonna come here, I think we use the long one. You can remove it if that's your preference. I want to be practical, guys, so I make this easy. And there you have it, guys. That's all it took to get your cushion out. It has this tab, guys, but these tabs, normally we just go like this. It's not that relevant in this car. It's about design is what it is. Now let's move here so we can remove the upholstery for the lean back. The only upgrade that Ford did for these seats, guys, was remove the clip system and go back to the original hack rig system, which is more efficient and is better upholstery work. You're gonna get your airbag out and you're gonna get the explosive or the unit out of the pouch. So you just have to get the rods out, put it back in, and that's the airbag. I'm gonna work in the headrest, guys. Be careful when you do that. And this is what I was talking about. It has hack rings, which is fantastic. We like upholstery with hack rings because that way it lasts longer. The clips got brittle, they break, and then the upholstery doesn't hold no more. So hack ring is the way to do it. I'm glad they start to do it back again. And we have to cut the hack rings to release the upholstery. We have 2 more pulls, one in the bottom and one in the center. That was it, guys. Our cover is out. That's the lean back, and the cushion is no different. Same process. And that's how you remove the upholstery on your 2024 Ford Bronco, either to put new leather in it, because I don't know if you want this fake leather in it, but that's more or less the way that you have to do it, or in this case just to put your heaters. I'll continue, guys, with the loading of the parts in the next video.